What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to change background on your Brave browser. So all you have to do is to be on the home page of your Brave browser like I am right now. Then as you can see in the bottom right corner you have a button named customize, so we're going to click on it, and as you can see here we have a tab named background image. Now if we scroll down, we can change the background. You can choose from a Brave background, like so. If you click on it, as you can see, the background is changing. Use your own or use gradients or solid colors. And as you can see now, we changed the background. And if you don't like this type of background, you can change it again into Brave backgrounds. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.